Once operations are up and running, things can change. In fact, customers' needs seldom stay the same every day. They work on a market need basis, so their goals might change. The raw material can also change. For example, in a mining operation, the ore can change over time. That means the solution that was perfect a year ago isn't necessarily going to be the optimal solution today. So for us to be able to continue to optimize the performance throughout the life cycle of the machinery, we need to know what's happening. Audits are one way we do this, where Sandvik experts go out to the site. Normally it's a 3-day plant visit where we assess how the plant is performing and compare that with the customer needs and expectations. The customer gets a report with the assessments, ratings and recommendations, and most of the time there will be some short-term changes. That means adjusting settings, making some minor changes that would only require a small investment or even no investment. And sometimes there will be a long-term suggestion as well, where we might recommend replacing a major component or a machine, for example, if that is what needs to improve productivity. The customer audits are saved in a digital service protocol. This helps us to follow up on the information about the plant's performance so that we can give better advice by assessing historical data. The more information, the more data that we can get from the operation, the more accurate advice can be. By gathering more information from both on-site audits and by digital uploads and by analyzing that data, we can suggest ways to increase productivity, avoid bottlenecks, prolong life cycles, and even improve the energy efficiency and other sustainability metrics. The longer the partnership continues, the deeper the analysis we can offer. The data we gather can be very granular and it can build up to give us a very detailed picture about how the operation is performing. This lets us optimize the production process at every single stage of the operations life cycle.